Good morning, all of you. I am Amol Deshmukh, your math teacher. Exercise 3.3 from R.D. Sharma. Question number 29. Solve. Question is 22 upon x plus y plus 15 upon x minus y. It is equal to 5. 55 upon x plus y plus 45 upon x minus y. It is equal to 14. These two linear equations are not in the standard form. First, we have to make these two linear equation in the standard form, as we did in the uh, previous example. So here, first equation is 22 upon x plus y, means 22 into 1 by x plus y, and 15 into 1 by x minus y. It is equal to 5. 55 upon x plus y means 55 into 1 by x plus y, plus 45 by x minus y means 45 into 1 by x minus y. So here common part is 1 by x plus y and 1 by x minus y. Okay, so put common part is equal to another variable m and n. So here 1 upon x plus y is equal to m, and put 1 by x minus y is equal to n. So first this becomes 22 into 1 by x plus y, and 1 by x plus y is equal to m. So it becomes 22m plus 15 upon x minus y is 15 into 1 by x minus y, and 1 by x minus y is equal to n. So it becomes 15n is equal to 5. Right, this is equation number 1. And second equation, 55 into 1 by x plus y, and it is equal to m. So it becomes 55m. 45 into 1 by x minus y, and 1 by x minus y is equal to n. So it becomes 45n is equal to 14. Right, this is equation number 2. So we have to solve these two equations by substitution method to find value of any one of the variable. So equation 1 is easy. From equation 1, either find the value of m in terms of n, or find the value of n in terms of n. We can find a value of any one of the variable. So from equation 1, 22m plus 15n equal to 5. So this plus 22m here minus 22m, and n is equal to 5 minus 22m divided by 15. Right, this is equation number 3. Here we are finding the value of n in terms of m from equation 1. So use this value in equation number 2. So from 2 and 3, or put n is equal to 55 minus 22m by 15 in equation number 2. So this equation becomes 55m as it is, this 45 as it is, and value of n is replaced by 5 minus 22m by 15, and it is equal to 14. So here 15 3s are 45, so reduce this equation. So 55m, 15 3s are 45, in bracket 5 minus 22m is equal to 14. So multiply 3 to this bracket. So 55m plus 3 into 5, again 15, minus 22 into 3, that is 66m, it is equal to 14. So here the like terms are 55m and 66m. So 66m is minus, this term is plus. So subtract 66 minus 15, 11, and write the sign of greater number. So it becomes 15 minus 11m, it is equal to 14. Here again the constant terms are 15 and this 14. So 15 minus 14, it is equal to 11m. 15 minus 14, 1 is equal to 11m. So m 1 by 11 is equal to m. So put m is equal to 1 by 11 either in equation 1, 2 or 3, but equation 1 is very easy. So put m is equal to 1 by 11 in equation number 1. So it becomes 22m, and m is equal to 1 by 11. So it becomes 22 into 1 by 11, 22 into 1 by 11 plus this 15n as it is, this 15n as it is, and it is equal to 5. So right here is equal to 5. 11 2s are 22. So 2 plus 15n is equal to 5. Therefore 15n is equal to 5 minus 2. Therefore 15n is equal to 3. Therefore n is equal to 3 divided by 15. So 3 1s are 3 5s are 15. So n is equal to 1 by 5. But here our problem is in variable x and y. So we have to find the value of x and y. So but 1 by x plus y is equal to m. So resubstitute the value of m and n here. Here 1 upon x plus y is equal to m. But value of m is equal to 1 by 11. So it becomes 1 upon x plus y. 1 upon x plus y is equal to 1 by 11. 11 into 1 11, x plus y into 1 x plus y. Therefore x plus y is equal to 11. Write this as equation number 4. Same, 1 upon x minus y is equal to n. 1 upon x minus y, it is equal to n, and value of n is, here the value of n is 1 by 5. So it becomes 1 upon x minus y, it is equal to 1 upon 5. Again 5 into 1 5, x minus y into 1 x minus y. So x minus y is equal to 5. Write this as equation number 5. Here equation number 4 and equation number 5, these two are again linear equation in two variables. So we have to solve these two equation by substitution method. So find the value of any one of the variable in terms of other variable. So this equation is easy. So from equation 5 we can find the value of x in terms of y. So from 5 x is equal to 5 plus y. Write this as equation number 6. So we are finding the value of x from equation number 5. So use the value of x in equation number 4. We are finding this value, again we are finding this value from equation number 5. So use this value in equation number 4. So from 4 and 6, or you can write, put x is equal to 5 plus y in equation 4. Okay. From 4 and 6, replace this x by 5 plus y. So this equation 4 becomes 5 plus y plus again this y as it is, and it is equal to 11. Therefore 5 y plus y 2y, it is equal to 11. So 2y is equal to 11 minus 5. Therefore 2y is equal to 11 minus 5 6. Therefore y is equal to 6 by 2. Therefore y is equal to 3. Therefore the solution of this equation is, the value of x is remaining. Put this value in equation, either equation number 4, 5 or 6. 6 equation is easy. So put this value in equation number 6. So we get, put y is equal to 3 in equation number 6. So x is equal to 5 plus y, x is equal to 5 plus y, and the value of y is 3. So it is equal to, x is equal to 5 plus 3. Value of y is 3. So x is equal to 5 plus 3, 8. Here the value of x is equal to 8 and value of y is equal to 3. Therefore the solution of this equation is 8, 3. Homework, question number 30 to question number 41 are of the same type.